Hi, my name is Harshada Pindse and I'm Offer Manager for Ultima Process System Drives in Schneider Electric USA. And in this video, we are going to talk about active front-end low harmonic ATV 680 and 980 series of drives. Our ATV 680 series of drives can be used for fluid movement applications wherever a low harmonic solution is a necessity, whereas a 980 drive is a regenerative drive system capable of 4-quadrant operation. Both our ATV 680 and 980 series of drives come with Schneider Electric's patented 3-level active rectification design along with an advanced LCL filter on the input side of the drive. There is also an additional link in between this input filter and midpoint of the DC bus, which helps us deal with common mode voltage, a very common issue that can be seen with 2-level active rectification design. Because of all these advanced features, we are able to achieve THDI of 2 to 3% on the input end of the drive, making this drive IEEE 519 compliant. When you compare this drive with other harmonic mitigation solutions which are used with diode front-end drives such as harmonic filters or multi-phase transformers like 12 pulse or 18 pulse transformers, these drives have smaller footprint, they are generally more efficient and they work better under imbalanced conditions. Our 680 and 980 series of drives come from 150 horsepower and go till 900 horsepower at 460 volt in normal duty conditions. So here I have a 300 horsepower ATV 680 unit. These units are modular brick based drives. So behind this control panel, you have inverter brick, active front end brick, the filter module and the contactor circuit which helps with no load or light load condition. Along with these modules, you have DVDT filter on the top. You have your main circuit breaker disconnect which is 100 kA rated. You have your output connection lugs at the bottom. If I close the door, you see the pilot lights and control devices on the door along with the door mounted keypad which helps with easy programming and diagnostics of the drive. These drives come in 4 different sizes, the smallest being 600mm wide. Both ATV 680 and 980 series of drives are configured to order with plenty of customizable options with respect to control circuit, with respect to power circuit like bypass modifications or communication cards. If anything else is needed beyond our configuration list, it can also be available on request. In general, ATV 680 and 980 series of drives are an excellent low harmonic solution which is compact, reliable, sustainable and customizable to fit to your application need. If you need any more information on these drives, please visit us on our website or get in touch with your local salesperson. Thank you.